Welcome back to Dicking Around Outdoors. Now we've got a beautiful low 30-degree day here, so we decided to go ahead and do the video on the porch. Now many of you guys are lucky enough to have dedicated overland rigs and you're able to leave all of your gear in the truck, attached to the truck, however you pack, and you never have to move it. Now I don't fall in that category. In fact, sometimes we take the Jeep, sometimes we take the pickup truck. So any gear that we have to be able to move back and forth between different vehicles. And what that leads to is that we're constantly looking for ways to pack our gear more efficiently and to combine all of the items, quote, that fit in categories together. So today I thought I would show you a new bag that I got for Christmas that is designed really to carry our cutting tools, our axes, our saws, that sort of thing. So hang around, let me show you the new Straight Grain Supply axe and utility bag that I got for Christmas, and I think you're going to find it to be a pretty neat little bag. So what we're looking at is, again, the Straight Grain Supply Company axe and utility carry bag. And it's a neat little bag designed specifically to carry cutting tools and an axe, basically, and other tools that are designed to be used with that. So the bag itself is 26 inches long, 7 1/4 inches wide, and 4 inches high. So it's pretty narrow bag, but it's designed specifically to carry an axe and other tools. And if you'll notice, the straps are not centered. And the reason for that is, when you put an axe in a bag, the head of the axe is heavier than the handle. So you always have, if your straps are in the center, you always have the bag wanting to tilt forward because of the weight of the axe. So what these guys have done, and I think it's pretty ingenious, is they've simply moved the strap forward to compensate for the weight difference. So when you carry this bag, it carries flat, which is kind of nice. You'll notice the straps actually go all the way around, which is a nice touch. It makes it stronger. The bag itself is 14-ounce Martexan waxed canvas. So it has a level of waterproofness, and it comes with 2 zipper pulls, which is nice. So when you open it, I've got this packed, I'm just testing it out. What I've got in here is I've got a little wood sling, my K-bar knife, a puck to sharpen the axe and knives, got my handy dandy Bob Dustrude buck saw. So effectively what I've put in here is everything I need to process wood at the campsite, as well as a foldable trenching shovel. And I've got my Holtzbrook Anaby axe. So if you noticed, this bag inside has Velcro loops. It's got 3 of those for the axe. I don't know if you can see it, but Velcro loops inside to hold your axe in place so it doesn't bounce around when you're carrying it. And it also comes, and this is a nice touch in my mind, with a Hi-Vis Hunter Orange mat, which is 420 denier Cordura, which is just a ground mat to set your tools on when you're using them, to make sure that you don't lose them when you're out in the woods and set something down. So that's really a nice touch I think these guys did for this bag. The interior of the bag is made of 500D. It has a rigid plastic bottom in it to kind of keep it from folding around and bending. So overall, it's an extremely nice bag. The only thing that I would be a little bit concerned about is the zipper is very small. Very small teeth. It does not look like a heavy-duty zipper to me. I could be wrong. I went onto their website. I was going to contact Straight Grain and ask them about this, and for some reason there's no way to contact Straight Grain on their website. Nothing talking about registering the product or what you might do in the event of needing work done on it or any sort of warranty information. So I'm not sure, that's a kind of a miss to me on Straight Grain, but I would expect this to be warranted. I purchased it through the Overland Bound store, so if you are looking for this, Overland Bound has a lot of pretty neat gear, and I think they would take care of this if something happened to it and work with me on that, so I'm not really concerned about that. The price of the bag, list price, is $139. It's 100% made in the USA. So the straight grain supply axe and utility bag, which I purchased from Overland Bound Store. I think they have multiple retailers. If you go to their website, they do have a list of those. The axe and utility bag is a great bag if you're looking for something to carry your cutting gear and you're moving from vehicle to vehicle. So I think it's great to check that out. If you do like the content and you like learning about new gear, please take a moment to hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. And as always, take care and we'll see you outdoors.